Bonjour, welcome to the Cordon Bleu. My name is Chef Eric, I'm head of cuisine. The Cordon Bleu has a very rich history. We actually last year celebrated our 120 years. Started as a magazine, with Marc Distel, and he obviously grew into a school over the years. Currently, this is our new premises in Bloomsbury. We have been there since 2012. I've been here myself working for the Cordon Bleu 10 years, so I've seen the transformation from the old school to the new school. We obviously surrounded by beautiful buildings, and it's a beautiful area. We are many teachers teaching here. Each of them has probably 20 to 30 years of experience, so this is all given to the students. As you can see next to us, we have a basic class which is currently running. So they've just started only a few weeks ago, and they're already on the, looks like, preparation of chickens.
I'm Julie Walsh and I'm the head pastry chef at the Cordon Bleu London. I've worked with Cordon Bleu for 20 years now, both in London and around the world. At the Cordon Bleu we teach techniques, not recipes. We are very traditional in our methods. We show students by demonstration and then we let them practice and repeat until they are proficient at the technique. Once you know a technique, you can apply it to many recipes. The recipe changes from location to location, the technique never does. We have many one-day courses aimed at specific techniques. So, for example, you could come in and learn viennoiserie, how to make croissant and Danish pastries. You could come in and learn how to work with chocolate, or even how to make macaron. Every year, the Cordon Bleu offers a scholarship for somebody who not necessarily has any experience, but has the passion and shows that they are dedicated to learning to cook and have the passion to come and study with us.
A lucky winner, basically, will be able to go out with a top prize, which is basically 50 months accommodation and nutrition, obviously, at the Cordon Bleu.
It's worth in excess of £30,000. It really does change people's lives. It's a fantastic opportunity. This is about as good as it gets in terms of culinary education facilities.